it's another vlogmas. I know it's quite noisy here because I've got the hair fryer on. So today is the more like Christmas tea, Christmas dinner at work. So I'm preparing the stuff I'm taking in. Let me show you what I've got I'm taking in. So I've got barbecue chicken wings there that I'm taking in, and I'm frying some plantain as well. So that's all I'm preparing now. So it's currently 5:38. I've been awake since 5:10, and I already prepped all of this. So I'm just finishing all of that. Then I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready for work. How are you guys doing? Like I said, how are you enjoying the vlogmas? And are you almost ready? Are you sorted for Christmas? So the only thing I've got left to do here is buy a gift for my husband and also get our Christmas menu sorted. That's pretty much everything. Guys, no, I don't want this vlogmas to be quite long today. I'm gonna go and I'll see you later once I'm stepping out or once I'm finished dressing up, okay? Everyone, so that is me. I have finished dressing up. I am in my Christmas jumper now, and this is all I've done for work. I've just popped my brows on, eyeliner, mascara, a little bit of powder just to kind of like blot my face. That's pretty much all I've done. I've pretty much packed my lunch bag as well. I just need to spray my perf and they have with me on the way. So it's currently 6:36. Oh, I thought I was running late, but yeah, I've still got another 20 minutes. So this I'm tempted to leave it down like this, but the wind outside, can you guys hear the wind? The wind outside is going to blow this air all over my face, and I'm not about to start doing this every now and then. Anyway guys, let me grab my perf and then I'll see you guys shortly, okay? I'm sure you guys pretty much guessed what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this Valentino and I'm wearing sticky dates. So I guess both of them call for today, right? Oh, smells really good. Then that goes on top. And I'm also going to take my iPad because like I said, today is trading day, and there won't be we won't be looking after any patient today. So it's best I take my iPad with me, because if I'm going to rely on laptop at work, I might not even find one to use for anything. So here guys, I'm just managing the lighting in here. I've got my broken ring light, so yeah, hence why the lighting is not really in my face. If I sit down, it's a bit in my face. So yeah, so I've just shown you guys the perfume I'm wearing. So I'm wearing my sticky dates and I'm wearing my Valentino as well. So I love this Valentino. See guys, the way it's going, I'm using it so that I don't have to buy another one anytime soon. So guys, let me go and I'll see you at some point, okay? Breakfast time. I just had breakfast, guys. I had some croissant, cup of turmeric coffee, and an egg, and that's half an hour over. Heading back into the main show of the day. Yes. Right guys, so I finished from work an hour earlier than I would normally do today, because today was our Christmas dinner day and we had lots of competition. And yes, your girl won a couple of I won an hamper, a gift hamper, not big. I won one, and then I got my present from my Secret Santa, whom I'm here to find out who it's from. So I'm currently in Clydebank now. I want to go into Asda and then go into TK Maxx, the one in Clydebank, because I really don't like going to the TK Maxx in town because it's too massive and you really can't find anything. But because I'm quite used to this TK Maxx in Clydebank, I found myself going to the one here in this area than the one in town. So yeah, I've just parked very close to where I know that coming out would not be as bad as, you know, it's dark here because there's no lighting. So I'm just taking a shortcut to get into Asda and then pick up a few Christmas cards and then spend my voucher, because I told you guys I have a £50 voucher. Spend that £50 voucher there, which I mean shop for what we need, and then go into TK Maxx. I want to prep up the gift bag I want to give a family friend. I've got wine in that gift bag. I just want to put a wee bit of chocolate or snacks for the kids as well, so there's something for each and every one of the family, you know. So that's what I want to do for that. So I'll probably see you guys when I get home, and I'm wearing my Christmas jumper. So I'll see you later, alright? Oh, hi everyone. So that's me. I got home about 10 minutes ago. I just took the time to set up the ring light and all of that. So I left work 4 o'clock today and it was fun. Work was great today. There was lots of food to eat. I'll see if I can share a short videos here and there for you guys to see, maybe an image or something. And there was a lot of food to eat, like loads of food. See, even my own lunch bag that I packed, I did not even have to open it to touch my own food. The only thing I had from my lunch bag was my breakfast, which was my croissant. Anything else that I packed into my bag, I did not even touch because there was that much food to eat at work today. And with that being said, did Christmas arrive early for me? Did Christmas arrive early for me? So there was a lot of activities at work today. So there was a Christmas tree competition where all members of staff took a picture of their Christmas tree, and one of the senior member of staff at work had to pick 3 people like whose Christmas tree was, you know, was great. There was lots of amper giveaways as well. There was cards to be given out. So there's like a maybe you people put £5 and 25 people, whoever is a winner, like a draw or something. Unfortunately, your girl did not win. I was gunning for the £250 one, I did not win. Even the £50 one, I did not win. But hey ho, like I said, did Christmas arrive early for me? Maybe. So my secret Santa, what my secret Santa got me, it's in this bag. So we did a secret Santa at work, and yes, I'm wearing the jumper I got from Primark yesterday. That's what it looks like on me. I'm wearing it today. I wore it today to work. So yes, my secret Santa, this is what my secret Santa got me, and that's the message on it. It says that, you know, so I don't know who my secret Santa is. Last year, I only found out who was my secret Santa last year, about 3 weeks ago. And I was like, how did you keep that all to yourself? Like, how did you keep all of that to yourself? So yes, my secret Santa, this is a gift my secret Santa gave me. So let's open it, okay? So I already opened it at work. So the first item was this Bailey's miniature. So it's got the salted caramel, the espresso cream, and the original in there. So that's number 1 of what was in the bag of the secret Santa, what my secret Santa got me. 1. And then the second item was this Lindor chocolate. And then the third item was this Fenty Beauty lip gloss, which I love, and that's a shade which I love. And then the last but not the least item was this candy cane with Santa thingy. So I'm actually going to give this out because I don't want to eat sweet anymore. So those are all the items my secret Santa gave me, and I'm super thankful for it. I'm happy, and whoever my secret Santa is at work, if you ever come across this video, thank you for my gift. I love each and every item. And with that being said, I also won a hamper at work today. So there's a variety of bigger. So I want like a small hamper. So let me show you what I won as a gift hamper at work today. So that's my that's the hamper I won. Let me show you guys. So the one that surprised me the most was this huge bottle of Prosecco. So this is like 1.5 liter like 1.5 liter of Prosecco. Seriously, like, do you guys know how many years this is going to take me to finish it? So that's one of the items there. And then the other item in the hamper was this Haribo Star Mix. I got that. And then I also got this all butter shortbread cone thingy. So that was all the item in the Christmas hamper that I won at work today. So that's all of that. Let me put this away and let's go on to something else. So as I said earlier on when I touched in with you guys, that I was going to TK Maxx and I was going to Asda. So I only went into Asda to pick up a Christmas card. I think which was, I can't even remember how much I paid for that Christmas card. I think it was 50 pence. Christmas card is what people will read and they will chuck it away. So I picked up this Christmas card from Asda, and then I went on to TK Maxx as well. So now it's two families I want to gift. So some families are elderly couple and the other family I think I already got theirs, but I'm really not sure of what I really want to give this elderly couple, and I decided that I'm going to make up my own hamper myself. So with that being said about making hamper up, I went to TK Maxx and I bought this wooden, there's so many like hamper boxes, so I'm going to try to make my own hamper. So I've got this box here, and I was thinking in my head that okay, these elderly people, they are not kind of people who eat sweet stuff. So I've got an idea of the things I want to pack in there. So in this bag here, I've got all the other items I want to add into the hamper box, and I'm going to try and film me making this hamper. So that will be another video. Maybe that will be the vlogmas for tomorrow or something, how I make my own, how I make my own gift. So with that being said, I picked up more of this chocolate tea drink. So this is like a caramel latte. I picked up this drinking chocolate as well, so it's going to be part of what I'm going to be adding to the hamper. And also I picked other stuff as well from TK Maxx. I picked up more of this plantain chips. I picked up like skinny sugar-free syrups and all of that. So all of these things are going to be the things I'm going to use as part of the hamper that I'm going to make. Anyway guys, that's pretty much all for today. To be honest, there was a lot of stuff at work today that I even forgot to vlog. Yet I didn't vlog anything, I'm sorry guys, but whatever you guys see from here is what I've been up to today. And with that being said, I'm going to end this vlogmas for day 19 here. I can't believe it's a few days to Christmas. Hoo-hoo! And I think we get paid on Monday, or I'm not sure when we get paid, but I think we're going to get paid earlier as before. So anyway guys, this is the end of the vlogmas today. Have you enjoyed the vlogmas? Are you ready for Christmas? Are you super ready? Oh well, this, like I said, if you've watched till now and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on the post notification, share this video, and I'll have to catch up with you in my next vlog. All right, bye for now. Bye.